scooter. Very talented driver here. Good morning from Siquijor and good morning from the chicks as well. Today we're gonna do a little first impression video. So it's gonna be a chill out, look around Siquijor, and we're gonna go to the beach. We'll chill there and walk around the town of San Juan, which is the main town of the area. And yes, so this probably gonna be, the video will be probably in a few parts, because today is a chilly one. Tomorrow we do a tour of the island. Then there'll be a video where we swim with barracuda, and then it will be like maybe hidden gems. So I hope you enjoy it. And yeah, also I booked initially here for 3 days, but that's not gonna happen. I'm probably gonna extend because it's very lovely so far. Already met other traveler last night of an excellent Thai dinner. So yes, I think this island has a lot to offer. The hospitality is already amazing. Like I'm staying in this homestay. So you get in the room, you have a little office area there with some water. Water is free in the kitchen. Suitcase area. And look at this, it's so cute. A little sign for me. And okay, this is the bed. As you can see, aircon. This is important for some. I love the little couch. Look, they have like a reading light. Boom, reading light for you. Earplugs, because they love chickens here. But here's what it is. You have to accept it. Torchlight if you get out at night. 2 fans. 1, 2 there. And look at the tile. The tile is so beautiful. Yeah, umbrella, it keeps the rain. A broom for your sand. That's the generator, because sometimes they have power cuts on the island. So you press the generator to have electricity. Safe box. Everything. USB plug. Well, now it's USB-C, but good food, good food. Into the bathroom. Huge. Hot shower, obviously. And for those who like to pack light like me and not bring everything, you even have flip-flops. Flip-flop for you. So really good, and they are very nice. The owner I call Renz and Martin, and the homestay is called Renz Mart Inn, and it's very quiet because let me go outside because the light is crap here. So as you can see, you only have 2 rooms here, so it's very quiet. It's like a home. You have a free, no, it's not free, but you have the mini bar here, and then you have an honesty table here. So every time you drink something, you mark it, and at the end it will be in your bill. They have motorbikes, bicycle, so pretty complete accommodation, and only 2 cottages. So the attention is very, very focused on the guest. And because I'm not really confident in scooter, the host is like suggesting to drop me here or there, like very nice of him. There we go. Time stood still when I saw you. I saw you. I saw you. So first stop of the day is Coco Beach, where we can snorkel and chill. There's 100 pesos entry fee. So here we go. We go down this path. Scuba diving. Yeah. I just forget the price.
Only snorkeling here. You can pay.
Okay, sure. to Bud Marine Sanctuary. During the day it's super hot, so you need to find like a shaded spot. Whew. Like these people are smart.
Hoy, coconut!
First thing first, coconut, yes. Hello!
Nag-iyaw sa rati. Samaan? Iyaw sa na yun, nag-iyaw.
Coconut, 40 pesos. Mm. First thing first. Stay hydrated. Whew. Ready to go. We forgot you have to wear all this. But at least I'm guaranteed to see things. That was a hell of a snorkel. Best snorkel I had in a long time. Excellent. Get a guide, unless you are like a professional diver or something. Without a guide, you're not gonna see the things I saw. It was fucking amazing. Now it's time for coconut and a little rest. I need to dry. With this heat, I'm gonna dry pretty quickly. Hi, can I have a coconut, please? Top of the list when you come to Siquijor. This cost me 300 for the guide, 100 for the entry fee, and it was worth every penny. Now we are headed to apparently a good place recommended by my hotel. It's called Baha Bar. Try and see what kind of food we can get in there. I see lechon and stuff. That must be Filipino food.
Handa mo na ba bitawan ang iyong nadarama?
Must be a vibey place in the evening too.
Saktan ang puso, manhid na pala. Umiwas sa akin habang maaga.
Traditional Filipino food is owned by a Filipino woman. They're using local wood to build this place, and all the dishes are Filipino. They're also Western stuff, but definitely go for the Filipino. That gambas sizzling was out of this world, and they make their own beer here. It's actually 3 sisters. One is a chef, one is the owner, and one is the person who crafts the beer. So family business, deliver with excellent, and you can also stay here. They also have like a homestay kind of thing, so you can walk in and request a room, and if you're lucky you get one. The path there leads to the beach, so all the food that I've eaten has been grown locally, and even the fish has been caught here, like fish of the day, grilled in front of you. Best thing ever. Okay, almost time for sunset. Next stop, La Canopée. But for that, we need to find a tricycle that will take us there. I think I should have probably have rented a scooter, because at this rhythm is a bit inconvenient, I'm gonna say. But let's see what price they ask for.
May pagkato na kung drop ninyo kukuro, bike na ko.
So
Balik na ko, balik.
I managed to get one for
Doa din niya, isa rin.
300 pesos, but the road is far because
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
up the mountain and it's
Then
rocky,
go
right?
back and then over
Yeah,
that,
yeah.
right.
Okay. No problem. Got some friends?
We're dropping Coco Beach.
Yeah, hello. It's fine. It's good to have a chat. We made it. After, it's got a steep climb. As I say, if you cannot ride a scooter, do not come here. Just take a tricycle. It cost me 300 pesos. And I came here safely. And my host is gonna pick me up later from my hotel. So it's doable. Just requires a bit of a patience, but it's doable. And I'm sure it's worth it. So let's go and see what's up there. 200 you have to consume for 200 minimum, but you're not gonna come here and not consume anyway, so just so you know.
Palayain ang puso, di mapakali at di mapalagay. Hayaan matutong mangilatis ng pag-ibig na tunay. Kahit saan ka man makarating o maligaw, pakinggan mo lang ang pusong humihiyaw, at ako'y matatanaw.